Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to talk about mild hybrid vehicle. So a mild hybrid vehicle is based on the conventional vehicle design in which the alternator and generator is replaced by an electric motor which is powerful than those motor and generator. So here the motor generator works on a 48 volt system, and the advantage of using this system is that the fuel consumption is a little bit low compared to the conventional vehicle design, and there is improved performance because this motor can assist the uh, engine, so that engine and motor can propel the vehicle together. So one of the advantage is that a downsized engine, so we can ultimately reduce the size of the engine because we have another power source, and regeneration is obviously an advantage of this mild hybrid. So during the braking, the mild hybrid system, this machine works as a generator and generates electricity, and because this engine is going to produce a negative torque whenever there is a braking force applied on the vehicle, or deacceleration takes place. And because the engine is downsized, the fuel consumption will be low. So now let's have a look at the configuration of this mild hybrid vehicle. We have a battery connected with inverter, and this inverter connected with the electric motor. So as you can see that the alternator and the starter motor, both of them are replaced with a single machine electric motor, and this is also going to work as a generator. So here if we start our vehicle, then the battery power goes to the inverter, and as the battery supplies direct current, this inverter convert the DC current into the alternating current, and this alternating current is used by the electric motor, and this electric motor is connected through a belt drive to the crankshaft of the engine, and that's how engine is going to be cranked when we start our vehicle. Now during the charging process, the IC engine will drive the electric motor, and this electric motor generates current, and this alternating current will be converted to the uh, DC voltage, and this is going to be stored in the battery. Now this electric motor generates power greater than the 12 volt system, and this higher voltage is useful if the vehicle is equipped with a supercharger or an electrically heated catalytic converter. So this is how useful this electric motor generator configuration is in the mild hybrid system. Another advantage of this electric motor is it can assist the IC engine to propel the vehicle, and in this case we can get the maximum acceleration possible for the vehicle. So as we know, this electric motor also regenerates energy during the braking. When there is a negative torque, the electric motor will generate power, and that power will be used by the accessories, and if this power is not enough to power the accessories of the vehicle, this power will go to the inverter to charge the battery, and so that's how regeneration will take place. So this is a little bit advanced configuration of the mild hybrid vehicle. In this case we have IC engine and gearbox, and in between the IC engine and gearbox there are two clutches, and C1 and C2. So in between those two clutches the entire mild hybrid system is placed. So what's the advantage of this configuration? Look, we can charge battery through this IC engine by discontinuing the power to the vehicle. By applying C1, we can get the power from the IC engine to directly to the electric motor to charge the battery. And if we apply C2 only, then we can propel the vehicle from the mild hybrid system, and this the range of the propulsion depends on how big is the battery, how much capacity the battery holds, and how powerful the electric motor is. Now if C1 and C2 both of them are applied, then the power from the IC engine will go through the C1, C2 and then to the gearbox, and then it will be used to propel the vehicle. So this is how mild hybrid system works. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.